And what's some of the benefits the home inspectors can get out of the online workshop format?
Okay, that's a great one right there. Let me scroll down a little bit more and we'll show it to you. Okay, here's what happens. Because the workshop is live, we have an agenda. If you go right to the workshop, you can see the agenda, what time the session begins and ends, breaks, lunch, the whole thing. So because it's live and because it's online, you can watch the dang thing in the comfort of your home or office. I mean, you don't have to ever go anywhere to do it. So no travel expense, no hotel, you stay at your own bed, at night and that kind of thing. Tickets are way more affordable. $297 for the tickets after the early bird special, which they are now, $297, extremely affordable, but it's not $597.
Right.
It's not $597. Here's a beautiful thing too, Steve. You buy a $297 ticket, everybody on your staff can attend a live workshop on that ticket. You don't have to buy it, your spouse or your marketing manager, anybody else a ticket. $297 gets your whole staff into the live workshop at no additional cost. Now, I don't want them to send that link to their buddies in their market. And, that's not what this is about. $297 is really for you and your staff. Okay?
Right.
So that's one of the things. So let's say this. You're on the workshop and a good inspection comes in and you think, do I do the workshop or do I do the inspection? Well, guess what? You can do both with a virtual online workshop, because what happens, you can go to the inspection because we are recording all of the information with resources, handouts. You'll get the audio, the video. I love that, so you can take it with you while you're doing inspections or on your way to inspections. So you can do that. And I'm going to show you, Steve. Let me just take a 2-second, just go over here and click on this link. This is the delivery pages for the workshop that are already produced. Okay, and so what happens is, this is the first presentation using keyword research to hone in on your target audience. And no, this is just a placeholder. So what happens is, as soon as the workshop is over, the video comes here, the audio is here. But it gives you an overview of the session, tells you a little bit about the speaker, any FAQs that came up, we add them here, and all the resources we mentioned on the call, on the workshop will be right here. So everything you need will be right here that you and your staff can come back and look at it again and again. All right. Great. So those are already built. I'm going to have some bonus content on there for you. Steve and I did a super piece on how to price home inspections profitably. I'll include that on here. I've got Amy Newcomer. They own a home inspection association and a school. They're also doing marketing to millennials, which was dynamite. So we'll have bonus content on here as well. So it's set up. So you'll get, if you have to go do a home inspection, no problem. The recording. Okay. A couple of other things too, Steve, before we leave this one. Our staff will be monitoring the chat box during the course of the live event. We'll take some questions live. On the second day, we take 30 minutes and answer additional questions. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a 90-minute Q&A follow-up after the workshop, so that we make sure that we can get everybody's questions answered. So our staff will assimilate those questions, make sure it's not duplicates, that kind of thing. And I'll get on a video with everybody that came, everybody who chooses to come. We'll answer those questions. Then we'll take that video and put it on the deliverables page.
Great.
So you see it too. Also, Steve, one last thing, really, do we have a private Facebook group for workshop participants? So you can get in there and interact with other like-minded people who really want to learn how to go direct to the public for business.
Sure.
So I think that virtual offers all of those things. You never leave the comfort of your home office.
Right. And I'll have to say, even in my profession, I do a lot of my continuing ed and other things, at online workshops throughout a day. And it is nice and convenient, because now I don't have to worry about, do I need to go to Kansas City or someplace else? I can work right up until the point that the workshop starts, and I can sit here and I can do it, and I can still be here at the office and answer questions or problems that come up. So it's a great thing by doing the virtuals like this. It gives you a lot of flexibility and control.
I will tell you, Steve, big and small companies, whether it's brick and mortar or online companies, are moving to the virtual format. You know why? The technology is here to allow us to do it.